So what kind of show's happening tonight, Jeff?
Well, we're going to have a very diverse display of explosions, aerial explosions is what we call it.
Yeah?
Not anal explosions like what Steve is just...
Oh, no.
And Tim has anal explosions too. What we do is we have some of these. These are the purple wave ring with crackle pistol.
Nice.
Sounds gay.
It is. It's I got these off of a gay guy.
Who lives next door?
Yeah, he had them in his storage area. This guy's like, he's got these quarter sticks, and he's like, yeah, you know what you do? You take one of these here, and you light this, and you light the fuse. It's a bomb. You get the bomb. You light the bomb off, and then you throw it in the water, and it just, all the fish come to the top. So we're thinking, you know, it just like stuns the fish and they float to the top. Not at all. We're in the boat.
Was that it?
Yeah, it's when we went fishing.
Oh, okay.
And there was these bunker fish, they call them. They're probably as long as this box, or a little longer.
How long?
About as long as this box.
All right.
And so you take the bomb and you light it, you throw it, and he ties a weight to it and throw it, and you throw it in the water. Next thing you know, it's like that underwater, like boom!
Road. I love you.
Like 2 seconds later, all around you, like probably 20 feet out from all the perimeter of the boat, like probably 1,000 fish just go boom, and they jump like 3 feet out of the water.
Oh, don't shake.
It was unbelievable.
What are you doing, texting?
Yeah, texting Tim's woman.
Oh, and Tim, what are you doing?
Texting my buddy.
Oh my God, shouldn't you be texting your woman?
I'll do that later.
I'm the fluffer.
And Steve, who are you texting?
You're the
Tim's buddy's woman.
Oh. Who are you texting now?
Can't tell you.
Oh my gosh. Are you texting Tim's woman too?
No.
That seems to be the thing to do here.
I got them in bulk, and they're now in Ziploc bags, and I have no idea what kind they are, but they are good.
Were
Hot
they
dogs?
Nathan's? Hebrew National?
No.
Small
No Jewish hot dogs.
That's all I ever eat.
They're better.
They answer to a higher authority.
Videotaping.
Quit it! Don't watch anyone
Hebrew
eat.
National answers to a higher authority.
It says it right on the bag.
You know how much money I'm going to get from TMZ by showing some early photos of Taylor Swift?
What's that?
I'm the only person here
Yeah.
who knows that in 15 years you're going to be really famous. Sing us a song.
No.
What do you got going there, Jeff?
Well, what we're going to do here is the old Susquehanna County four-banger, they call it.
Yeah?
Not to be confused with the town of Susquehanna four-banger. She's not here tonight.
Oh.
So we're going to do 4 of them. Everyone light your engines. That was awesome.
Here, I got one for somebody else too.
Uh-oh.